Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. So, today we are going to learn hard words. Today we are going to learn hard words. Look at here, everyone, now. Our first hard word is classroom. 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 What is the spelling of classroom? CLASSROOM. Classroom. CLASS class. CLASS class. ROOM room. Classroom. Classroom. What is the Hindi meaning of classroom? What is the Hindi meaning of classroom? Kaksha. What is the Hindi meaning of classroom? Kaksha. You can utilize these hard words like we must clean our classroom. We must clean our classroom. Okay, now next one is introducing. Next one is introducing. Next one is introducing. What is the spelling of introducing? Introducing. 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 What is the Hindi meaning of introducing? Parichay karana. What is the Hindi meaning of introducing? Parichay karana. Let I introduce myself. Let I introduce myself. आप ऐसे भी इस वर्ड का यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस? फ्रूट्स. व्हाट इज दिस? फ्रूट्स. फ्रूट्स यानी कि फले. फ्रूट्स यानी कि फले. ओके, look at here. These all are fruits. These all are fruits. Now, next one is, what is this? Cricket. Cricket. Spelling of cricket is CRICKET. CRICKET. क्रिकेट. क्रिकेट यानी कि ये एक क्या है? गेम है. ओके, ये किसका नेम है? एक गेम का नेम है. क्रिकेट इज माई फेवरेट गेम. यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस वर्ड लाइक क्रिकेट इज माई फेवरेट गेम. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज, व्हाट इज दिस? Vegetables. What is this? Vegetables. What is the spelling of vegetable? What is the spelling of vegetables? VEGETABLES. TABLES. Vegetables. Vegetables. What is the Hindi meaning of vegetables? What is the Hindi meaning of vegetables? Sabjiyan. What is the Hindi meaning of vegetables? Sabjiyan. You can utilize this word like here some vegetables are in the bag. Here some vegetables are in the bag. Okay, now next one is subject. 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 What is the spelling of subject? What is the spelling of subject? SUBJECT. SUBJECT subject. SUBJECT यानी कि subject. And what is the meaning of हिंदी meaning of subject? विषय. विषय विषय जैसे कि मुझे मैथ सब्जेक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है तो मैं क्या कहूँगी? आई लाइक मैथ सब्जेक्ट. आई लाइक मैथ सब्जेक्ट. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज दिस? फ्लावर. व्हाट इज दिस? फ्लावर. व्हाट इज दिस स्पेलिंग ऑफ फ्लावर? व्हाट इज दिस स्पेलिंग ऑफ फ्लावर? FLOWER. 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 Okay. And what is the meaning of flower? Hindi meaning of flower? फूल. फूल. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं ना कि मुझे रोजेस बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं तो उसको हम इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे बेटा? आई लाइक रोज फ्लावर. आई लाइक रोज फ्लावर. अदरवाइज यू कैन speak rose is beautiful flower. Rose is beautiful flower. Okay. Now next one is season. 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 What is the Hindi meaning of season? ऋतु यानी कि मौसम. ओके. सो यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस वर्ड लाइक आई लाइक विंटर सीजन. आई लाइक विंटर सीजन. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज दिस? एनिमल्स. व्हाट इज दिस? Animals. What is this? Animals. Now what is the spelling of animals? ANIMALS. 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 Animals यानी कि what is the Hindi meaning of animals? पशु पक्षियाँ. What is the Hindi meaning of animals? पशु पक्षियाँ. Okay. Now look at here everyone. So many animals are here. Like lion, elephant, giraffe, etc. Okay. Now next one is what is this? Grow. Grow. Grow यानी कि बढ़ना, उगना. ग्रो यानी कि बढ़ना, उगना. What is the spelling of grow? GROW. 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 What is the Hindi meaning of grow? बढ़ना. यहाँ पे भी आपको दिखाया है कि जैसे कि प्लांट होता है वो प्लांट पहले कैसा होता है? वो सीड में से प्लांट होता है ना. तो पहले सीड है, फिर सीड में से थोड़ा हुआ है उसका ग्रो, फिर उससे थोड़ा हुआ है ग्रो, उससे ज़्यादा हुआ है. ऐसे ही पार्ट बाय पार्ट, वन बाय वन उसका क्या हुआ है? ग्रोइंग हुआ है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट इज दिस? यस, डॉग तो है पर डॉग क्या कर रहा है? बाथिंग. क्या कर रहा है? द डॉग इज bathing. What is the spelling of bathing? What is the spelling of bathing? BATHING. 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 And what is the Hindi meaning of bathing? स्नान करना यानी कि नहाने का कार्य. Okay. Now next one is what they do? What they do? Packing, right. So next one is packing. What is the spelling of packing? PACKING. P-A-C-K-I-N-G, packing. P-A-C-K-I-N-G, packing. पैकिंग यानी कि सामान बांधने की क्रिया, सामान बांधने की क्रिया. So they all are packing their things. Okay, now next one is cleaning. Next one is cleaning. What is the spelling of cleaning? What is the spelling of cleaning? C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning. C-L-E-A-N-I-N-G, cleaning. Now next one. What is the Hindi meaning of cleaning? सफाई करना, सफाई करना. Okay, so these all are your hard words. These all are your hard words, and each hard word must be right 5 times. Thank you everyone.